Hi guys, it's Quincy T here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a 2 feature video. There will be one posted exactly after this one, but today's video is going to be because y'all can see, like, it's right here, it's already sticking out. Y'all are going to see me attempting to do exercises, because this is like I do exercises. No. Alright, make sure you sit down, grab some popcorn, because this is gonna be hilarious. I mean, you don't have to grab popcorn, but enjoy. Guys, I ran out of video ideas. I am so sorry if this video is disturbing. I'm in the middle of editing right now. Sorry the quality's bad because I'm using my camera. No one asked, but I still said it. This is going to be really disturbing. Yes, everything that's in this video is true. I need to start working out because I want to be skinny. I want to be a skinny legend. I don't want to be fat. Anyways, get right into this video. Okay, so I'm on the floor right now. When I get up, don't mind any of the extraness. I'm in the middle of doing some cleaning. Oh my gosh, my hair is a mess. Like, ew, look at this. This is a bush around my head. I'm so glad I'm gonna be getting a haircut soon, even though COVID, but I gotta be looking fresh, you know? Oh, I am so sorry. I have no clue what that is. It's just something. I've been picking at it, so it's my fault. Anyways, let's get into the exercises. Okay, so I had to get my ring light because I saw that the lighting was really bad in this. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I just got some burning lighting, you know? Okay, I'm just talking for what? Let's get into the exercises. First attempt is push-ups. Oh, chow. Ow. Ow. My knee popped. Anyways. This is extremely sad. This is extremely sad, you guys. This is extremely sad. I didn't even do it. I didn't even do it right. And I'm supposed to be doing push-ups and I still only did 2. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that was funny. Okay. Step number 2. I only did 1 that time. Next exercise. Sorry if my knees look ashy, but this one is going to be curl-ups, so yeah. 1 here. Oh gosh, this is about to be so bad. Okay, let me get back. Oh my gosh. This is not that bad, but I am not going how I'm supposed to. that was about 7 through 10. I actually am proud that I did that. Looks like I got some working out to do during quarantine, you know. You see, this is how you know I'm fat. I'm trying to think of another exercise and I can't even think of one. So the lighting just got bad again. I'm so sorry. And the quality, because there's no good lighting. But this time, we're going to do jumping jacks. And I can't get a good angle, so sorry. Marvel, do not come for me. I'm watching Avengers. And don't mind any of this. Anyways, what's the 10 jumping jacks? Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should we go for 20? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. That was really tiring. Hey, where did you come from? I'm your conscience. And where did you come from? You don't stop. Okay, I know y'all ain't gotta come for me like that. No, well, you just know that. I'm just still, I try my best, you know. Stop. Because you're fat. You see, y'all supposed to be my conscience, y'all. Y'all supposed to hype me up, not bring me down. Wow. Wow, you know what? I really did like you guys for a second. But at this point, I don't like y'all. I really don't like y'all. Now, can I do the outro for my video? Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on, and don't miss another banger. Sorry, I snatched you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to this video. Make sure you like, comment, and I just said subscribe, but make sure you like, comment, turn on those post notifications, and we'll see you guys